Hi, this is Mindy with my husband Ken, and I just wanted to share with you this beautiful bathroom. I think it's one of my favorite rooms in the house. We are going to be doing the plantation shutter here, but we're doing something kind of special with this one, aren't we, Ken?
We are. We're doing the big 5.5-inch louvers. I think we're doing that throughout the entire house. But in this one, we're doing a split tilt option where you can actually close the lower half of the window and have the top half still open. So you'll lose the wall and have privacy, but still have a view of that beautiful sky. We really hope that you like the before and after photos.
So Olaf and I decided on the 5.5-inch louver for these beautiful plantation shutters for this primary bathroom. Ken, do you want to explain how they work?
Sure. So what we did was we painted them black to match the black doors throughout the house. We have the split tilt option so you can open and close the upper section and open and close the lower section independent of one another. I think they make a really terrific addition to the primary.
What do you think, Olaf?